In today's video, I'm going to teach you to save an editable project file locally. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable copy of your work stored on your computer so you can reopen it anytime and continue right where you left off. First, make sure your project is open and everything looks the way you want it. When you're ready to save a local copy, move your cursor to the top bar of the application and open the File menu. You'll usually find this in the upper left corner. If your window is small and you don't see the menu, try maximizing the app so the full top bar appears. The File menu is your hub for creating, opening, and saving projects, and it's the safest way to preserve your work as you go. From the File menu, choose Save As. This option creates a new standalone copy of your project, which is ideal for archiving a version or transferring the project between devices. It's different from a simple save, which typically updates the current file. Save As gives you a snapshot you can keep and reuse without altering your original. When the Save As options appear, choose JSON as the format. JSON is a structured, human-readable format that keeps all your project details intact in a way the app can understand later. Selecting JSON ensures the file remains fully editable, so when you open it again, your settings, layout, and content will load just as you left them. If you see multiple format choices, stick with JSON for editing. Other formats might be meant for sharing or publishing and won't preserve everything you need for future changes. After you choose JSON, the editable project file will download to your computer. Most systems place downloads in a default Downloads folder, but check your browser or system preferences if you've set a custom location. The file name often reflects your project title. Consider keeping it clear and consistent so you can find it quickly. Avoid unusual characters that might cause issues on some systems. Once the download finishes, you're set. You can reopen this JSON file in the app whenever you want and continue editing without starting over. A few quick tips to stay organized. Keep a simple versioning scheme in your file names, like adding a date or short note. Give the download a moment to complete before closing the app, and ensure you have enough disk space in your downloads location. That's all it takes. You've saved an editable project file locally and created a reliable, portable copy you can use anytime.